Okay. All right. Good afternoon, class.
Afternoon, sir.
How are you?
We are fine now to see.
We are fine. We are fine. All right. Let's start with our lesson for today. So before we start, we always put on the date for today. What is the date for today?
October.
All right. 12th October. Today is day what?
Thursday.
Day 7. On a
Thursday.
on a Thursday. And we are on the topic of respiration. Yesterday, what did we learn about yesterday? Anyone, just put up your hand. What did we learn about yesterday? We are speaking about respiration. Yesterday, I recall I gave you there are two types of respiration that I mentioned. What was the first one? Remember? We learned about what? Aerobic respiration. Today's lesson will be focused on defining, to define the term anaerobic respiration. So this is our first specific objective. By the end of this presentation, each one of you should be able to define anaerobic respiration. Yesterday we defined the term aerobic respiration. Today we are defining anaerobic respiration. And we shall see the difference between the two terms. Also, by the end of this presentation, I want you to know the word equation. The word equation for anaerobic respiration. Not only the word equation for anaerobic respiration, but also the chemical balance, molecular equation for yeast. We will discuss what yeast is, but for now, for today, we'll just look at the equation for yeast. Now, these are the specific objectives for today. This is what I want you to know just for this lesson. Are we okay? Okay. Let's start with the definition. So let's number them. Let's put this to be number specific number 1, specific objective number 1, specific objective number 2, specific objective number 3. So for the first lesson, I want you to be able, at the end of this presentation, to define what anaerobic respiration is. So let's start. Number 1. What is anaerobic respiration? Now, for us to be able to answer this, it's very simple. Let's go back to for the lesson of yesterday. Yesterday we said aerobic respiration is what? Yoba, the same person again. Take the camera to him, yes.
It's a chemical reaction in cells that breaks down nutrients to release energy
Yes.
in the absence of oxygen.
In the absence, no, not in the absence. We are there. But yesterday we said in the presence of oxygen. We said aerobic respiration is a chemical reaction that releases energy in the presence of oxygen. So the main purpose of respiration is to release energy. Is that point clear?
Yes.
So respiration takes place so that our bodies can have energy. Now there are two ways in which our bodies can have energy. Number one, by breaking down nutrients when there's oxygen. Number two, there are cases whereby our bodies don't receive sufficient oxygen. In that case, the body uses anaerobic respiration to give us energy. So in simple, we are saying anaerobic respiration is also a chemical reaction. Write that one down. It's a chemical reaction that takes place in the cells. Let's put it out as it is. Which breaks down nutrients to release a relatively small amount of energy in the absence of oxygen. Now I want us to come back to this. We don't have enough time. I think we are left with a few minutes. Anaerobic respiration, number one, is a chemical reaction. It takes place where? In the cell. What is the purpose of anaerobic respiration? To release energy. Are we okay?
Yes.
But then don't forget, anaerobic respiration, it releases energy, but that energy is very small compared to the energy that is released during aerobic respiration. So the definition is there. Now let's come to specific objective number 2 because we don't have time. We will discuss more on it. Write down the weight equation for anaerobic respiration. Now the weight equation is this one. Glucose will give you, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And there's also energy release. So this is the weight equation for anaerobic respiration. Now give me, who's going to give me the chemical balanced equation for yeast? Someone? And write it. Just give me the symbol. That is C what? H12, O6, which will give you what? 2C, 2 down there, H5, you are in very good class. OH plus what? Plus 2 CO. But why is CO2 not there? On the first one. I want you to investigate on that. We are done with our specific objectives. We defined what anaerobic respiration is. We said it's a reaction that releases. What type of energy is it? Is it very large energy or a relatively small energy? Which one is it? When our bodies uses anaerobic respiration, the energy released, is it small or huge? Small. Now here is the weight equation. So I want you to do this classwork for me. This is the classwork I want you to do. The first question is, state the chemical reaction that is responsible for the production of a relatively small amount of energy. Who's going to give me the answer for this one? Okay. Ruth, stand up. Say it out.
Anaerobic respiration.
Can you give her some hands? Anaerobic? You can show show the world my learners that I have. These are very nice learners. How many minutes we have? All right, I think time is up.